YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the first ever video of this new series, End of the Week Recaps. So with these recap videos, I plan to go over the market performance for either the entire week or the day that I am recording the video. How did I perform? A YouTube subscriber shout out. So I really want to recognize, individuals in our community. And then lastly, any updates, promotions, or deals that are going on in the industry as well. So let's go ahead and jump in right away. I'm gonna put myself smaller in the corner so we can focus on the bigger picture. So as you see, we have our 5-minute NQ chart pulled up here. Obviously, now that the market is fully closed, we can see clearly that we are on a very strong bullish momentum to the upside. We did break the previous highs, so that was pretty exciting. We ended the day over 200 points, up 1.68% on the day. And part of the reason is because of the news that was released. Overall, it appears that the U.S. inflation is starting to ease off a bit. And if I were to pull up the market watch right here, you guys can definitely do a little bit more research on your own, but you can see that it's starting to chill out a little bit. So everything that the Fed is starting to do apparently is starting to help. So I hope that it continues because I want lower gas prices. That would be nice. But anyways, going back to the chart, I wanted to also pull up the weekly time frame just to show you that we have actually very much so broken out of that weekly downtrend. And I'm just looking forward to see what happens over the next few weeks if we continue this really good move with inflation and obviously the bank systems and everything else in between. So going over to my performance now. Unfortunately, I did do some counter trend trades today. I was looking for some liquidity sweeps with order flow and also using supply zone to my advantage. However, instead of sticking to my usual scalp, I wanted to hold it a bit longer. But because of that and because of how crazy everything moved, to the upside, taking out all the bears, including myself, I did lose 3 of my accounts. It's pretty sad, but try not to let it affect me as it's all part of the journey and definitely a lesson noted to make sure I'm really following my zones as well as the order flow, most importantly. So anyways, that led me into buying another account though. I bought a new $100,000 fast track with Elite Trader funding. They have an amazing flash sale, which I will go over at the end of the video, but just stick with me through the rest of it first because we still have some more cool things to go over. I did end the day green at $4,257.58 in profit for this account. So very happy with my performance here. I definitely use, as I said, zones, patterns, and lots of order flow to my advantage, and that's why I was able to end green. For the entire week though, I would definitely say my psychology was in check. I was able to connect with some other trader friends. These individuals are amazing as they allowed me to join their Skype calls every day, and I'm looking forward to to joining them every single day moving on out. So let's go ahead and now get into the best part of this video, which is the subscriber shout out. So for this first video, I wanted to go ahead and handpick someone very special. There was a few people that really stood out, to be honest, but I only wanted to pick one for day one of this series. It just kind of made sense. But I chose this individual specifically because not only was there, constant engagement, but also being able to see the amount of work and effort he's putting to becoming a better trader and a better person. So that subscriber is the Random Dave on YouTube. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, I would highly recommend to do so. He started posting trading related content as of 2 months ago, and you could see an obvious change in how he was trading before to where he is now. He's currently at 3 weeks of a green streak on his PA for Apex, so big shout out and congratulations to him on that. I have spoken to him not only through YouTube comments, which is how we first started to get to know each other as fellow traders, but eventually we took it off screen, and now that I know him a little bit more, I highly respect him and I respect his hustle to becoming a better trader, especially with the crazy life he already has. So with that being said, with our subscriber shout out, if you guys wanted to be shout out in the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because not only would you have the chance of being shouted out on here, but also we have the 500 subscriber giveaway coming very soon. It is a $100,000 express account, so you will get that for free if you are chosen. So go ahead and subscribe. And down below, I did include what my March picks were, as it is March 31st, end of the month. It felt only right. So these are the people I wanted to shout out specifically. If you are interested in checking out their content, I will link everybody down below, and including the firms that I'm about to go over and their deals. That will also be in the description with my code. So save you some money, help me out directly as a content creator, and try to make it as easy as possible so you can check out all these amazing people on the screen right now. All right, and now getting into the deals. So starting with Apex Trader Funding, they do have a 50% off reset deal going on until April 3rd. There's no coupon, no code, no link required. Basically, when you blow an evaluation or you just want to reset it already since it's half off, all you have to do is click the proper steps to do so, and it is automatically applied at checkout, so it makes it nice and easy for you. So thank you, Apex, for that. I definitely need this. And then for Bolinox, I have grown to love them so much since my first challenge with them on my YouTube channel, that 50K account. If you guys haven't seen that series, feel free to do so. But I was finally able to get my codes fixed. A lot of people have asked me for my codes for Bolinox. Finally, they're fixed. I hope that they work. Now, if they don't, they're expired or inactive, please reach out to me either in the comments, emails, or direct message me on any platform so I can make sure I get this fixed. But I do have discounts from 35%, 40%, and 70%. Go ahead and screen or pause the screen if you guys want to see which accounts qualify for what. But ultimately, the 35% off is for any of them, and that's the easiest one to remember, which is JO35. Otherwise, I like the 70% off. That's just me personally. All right, so now the last one is going to be Elite Trader Funding. So with Elite Trader Funding, they have a flash sale until April 3rd, and it is 50% off any of these fast track accounts. And with that flash sale of the 50%, there is also no minimum trading days required. Usually it's 5 days, but they took it off completely. So if you meet the profit target same day, well, there you go. You are qualified now for a PA account. With Elite Trader Funding, there is no taxes or surcharge fees with credit cards, if I believe, because when I checked, I didn't have it. So for people in California, you don't have any extra fees. So it would be $22.50 for the 25K, $37.50 for the 100K, and then $75 for the 250K. So a really nice bang for your buck if you guys wanted to not only give Elite Trader a try, but also, you know, maybe get a funded account. So those are all the deals with these three companies as of right now. For Lilu, by the time this video is uploaded, all of their promotions will be coming to an end, from their 80% off lifetime for both the foundation and weekly accounts, their one-time $150 PA fee for any account, as well as the no minimum trading day requirement. That all ends again tonight, March 31st, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. By the time this recording's up, again, that will be possibly over, or at least you can still qualify and buy an 80% off account. But that's the only thing that would be really, you know, applicable by the time this is uploaded. So that's everything that I wanted to cover for this week's recap video. I want to pull up one more time our YouTube subscriber shout out right here, the Random Dave. I'm very thankful for the amazing community we have. Thank you for your support and for putting time into watching my videos. If you guys like this new series that I've, you know, put together, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate your feedback, as this is something that seems interesting to me, to not only go over how I performed in the week, what I saw for the market, but also recognizing amazing individuals in our community and people that have stood out to me as well and helped me with my own journey. And then obviously going over any deals that we have and such. So yeah, appreciate your time and your support. Don't forget to subscribe so we get that 500 sub giveaway going already. And I wish you nothing but success in your trading journey. And I'll see you all in the next video.